Let's unbox the Nature Craft Paint Kit from Natural Earth Paint. The kit comes with a little booklet about the science of earth pigments, answering questions like, what are earth pigments and how are there so many colors? The kit also comes with 6 pouches of paint mix in home compostable packets. There are 2 brushes, one small and one larger brush, perfectly designed for little hands. Last, there are 10 wooden nature shapes to paint on, 2 mushrooms, 2 flowers, 2 butterflies, 2 leaves, and 2 bees. I also grabbed some small jars and a measuring spoon to mix up the paint, but any small cup or bowl will work perfectly. There's actually a ton of paint in this kit. It makes about 35 ounces of paint, which will last multiple crafting sessions. This is how much I have after mixing up paint with these wooden pieces. I love that these are made without plastic and that they can go right into the compost bin when finished. Mixing the paints are super easy. Just use 1 part paint and 1 part water, plus they're made with natural ingredients and wash off with just water. You can also adjust your consistency by adding more paint mix or water to your paint. The brushes are made from bamboo in such great quality. The small brush is great if your child wants to paint in the engraved lines on the wooden shapes, and the larger brush works really well for background colors and mixing colors directly on the pieces. The colors are super vibrant and go on really easily. They also blend nicely too. I'm just adding yellow and red dots on top of this green leaf, and it creates a really nice effect without getting too muddy. You can also use the colors in the kit to make new ones. I made an earthy brown for my mushroom. The paints are super saturated and only need 1 layer and dry within a couple of minutes. I also really love how opaque these paints are. They just feel really high quality when they go on. Here are my finished nature shapes. This is the perfect screen-free activity to do with your little ones, either indoors or outdoors. Plus you'll have extra paint to create even more crafts in the future.